sailors in FA-18E Super Hornets, E-2D Hawkeyes, and EA-2D Growlers touched down on Marine Corps Air Station Iwakuni November 28th to reunite with their families. They spent the last 3 months training at sea with some close allies in the Indo-Asia Pacific.
We're just excited to have them home, to show them around Iwakuni. This is a new base for us. Coming from Atsugi, we've been there a little over 2.5 years, so we're excited to explore the new area. Everyone's been very welcoming here.
Families for 3 months patrolling the Pacific Ocean region, performing navigational training and other flight training with Japanese and Korean military services. Some family members were more excited for their return rather than their successful deployment.
Really excited. It's been a while since we've seen him. He helped us move down in August, but then he's been gone. We saw him for maybe 4 days in Hong Kong, but this is when we saw him last.
Carrier Air Wing 5 is relocating to MCIS Iwakuni as a part of the United States' vision to rebalance the Indo-Asia Pacific region and plays a significant part in strengthening U.S. ties with Japan.
It's coming to Marine Corps Air Station Iwakuni from Atsugi, Japan. Really means an increase in operational readiness amongst our air wing, which consists of 4 F-18 squadrons and a Growler squadron and an E-2D Hawkeye squadron, and allows us to maintain our host nation relations with Japan, as well as build relationships with the Marines stationed here in Marine Corps Air Station Iwakuni.
The sailors will remain with their families, settling in and exploring the Iwakuni area. Reporting from Marine Corps Air Station Iwakuni, Japan, I'm Marine Corporal Calvin Hilt.
Why we do 30 minutes, please.
Industry executives and self-defense force leaders attended FRC Westpac's ribbon-cutting ceremony to honor the first induction of an FA-18 Legacy aircraft into their new hangar on Marine Corps Air Station Iwakuni. Lieutenant Commander Devin Corrigan, the officer in charge of FRC Westpac, worked with the air station to host the ceremony.
It's been a great team, FRC Westpac, and working with Marine Corps Air Station Iwakuni. Everybody's been very helpful and cooperative, and we definitely wouldn't be here today inducting the first aircraft had it not been for all the effort that everybody, both from the Navy and the Marine Corps, put in today.
FRC Westpac uses United States government contracts with maintenance, repair, and overhaul service providers to support aircraft maintenance. Their hangar allows the air station to conduct depot-level maintenance in theater rather than flying jets to Naval Air Facility at Atsugi. Captain Matthew Edwards, the commanding officer of describes how the move is cost-effective for the aircraft and the Department of Defense.
Today we're celebrating the first F-18 depot plan maintenance interval induction into this hangar. By having this capability here in Iwakuni, we directly support both MAG-12 and Air Wing 5 aircraft as they transition down from Atsugi. And being on site prevents us from having to fly the aircraft to a different location to perform the depot level maintenance.
The FA-18 Legacy is the first of many aircraft to receive maintenance in the new FRC Westpac hangar. Reporting from Marine Corps Air Station Iwakuni, Japan, I'm Marine Corporal Sarah Abrego.